How to create an Ubisoft account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an Ubisoft account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on either your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in ubisoft.com. After that, you will be taken to the official homepage of Ubisoft, where you'll have to tap on this little profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. After that, a new window will appear where you'll have to simply wait for it to load. Now once it has been loaded up, you'll have to simply tap on the option create an account. After that, you'll have to fill out all of these details over here in order to create an Ubisoft account. So simply enter first of all your email address. After that, you'll have to confirm it by typing it again in this box below. So let me enter my email address real quick. Now once you've entered your email address twice, you'll have to create a new password for your Ubisoft account. Now once you've done that, you'll have to create a new username for your Ubisoft account. And finally, you'll have to enter your date of birth over here. Now you'll have to accept to Ubisoft's terms of use, terms of sale, and privacy policy. So tick on this box right over here, and if you want, you can untick these boxes and then tap on the option create a Ubisoft account. And now it'll send a 6-digit verification code to your email. So simply enter the code. So my code is 102805. After that, tap on the option create account. And there you have it. So that is basically how you create an Ubisoft account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.